Looking for the perfect SUV with both styling and performance? Then take a look at this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG in Cardinal Red. With HID headlamps, blind spot monitoring, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch color display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5696A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.